Hi, Tom Sarfee, Global Business Development Manager with Pickering. And we're here at IMS 2026, and we're showcasing our range of standard products as well as custom solutions that we have within the RF domain, RF and microwave domain. So right here what we have, if you can step a little closer, is one of our custom solutions that we've designed for a customer, and we use a basic or a commercial off-the-shelf standard platform for communications and control for this switch matrix, in which we've also introduced attenuators and couplers as part of this design. So one of the things that we use as an advantage, or we feel like is an advantage with going with Pickering, is the way that we're able to bring concept to production in a very accelerated time frame. And we do that by collaborating quite closely with our customers throughout this process. So to get to this final product, we go through multiple stages, and we do that quickly with one of our platforms, our online platforms for designing and architecting and simulating our designs. But again, we base this off a commercial platform that we use in a wide range of our standard products. So if we can move over. Yeah? So part of our standard product line is within our PXI platform. So PXI is an industry standard, and our expertise and what we provide as far as the value that we provide to our customers is automating their functional testing requirements. And to do that, you can do that with that custom solution that we just showed you, or if you have PXI as part of your automated test station, we have PXI standard products or products that are based on an Ethernet platform that do very similar to PXI, but just a different form factor. Now, I mentioned collaborating with our customers and how we are able to bring their concepts to production very quickly. And we do that with an online tool that we call the Microwave Switch Design Tool. And I don't know if you can get that in the video there, but when we're doing that, the customers can log in online, and they have this tool that's called Microwave System Design Tool. Here you can see the Microwave Switch Design Tool. From there they begin. You can see that we can architect in a 2D environment, a box, front panel, and then we can go to the rear panel and actually start building a schematic. And this is how we work with our customers. We take their ideas, their architecture, and we start building a schematic. We have a product selector in which we can start adding products to this schematic. And I'm not going to go through a full design, but I'll show you what a finished design looks like. And this is a finished design. In this case, this is a 10x5 matrix. And again, it's based online. It's an online tool, but the value here is that now when I'm talking to our customers as we're architecting this, they can look at the components that we have selected. They have the exact part numbers. They can see the specifications of these part numbers. You can even see per component what the performance is. So this is right out of their data sheet. Now that's okay, but when you put this together in the system, you can see that there's 1, 2, 3, there's a few components in series. So to tell them what the expected RF performance will be out of this design is a little challenging, but we've built all of that into our tool. So in a matrix, you're sending a signal in to one port and out another. So knowing the loss on a single component is okay, but you really want to know from the input to the output what that is. So this tool allows us to take a look here and simulate. So if I want to know from one input to another to the output, I have now simulated performance. So my S parameter data is now here, and I can now work with our customers and see if the simulation gives them the requirements, the required performance that they would look for out of the product. Now, once we've settled on that this is reasonable performance, we then go to a 3D model. We do a 3D model of that looks very close to the finished product, and then that's it. So it's that collaboration that we're doing with our customers that allows us to get from an idea or a concept to production and a final product very quickly. And the value of what we're providing with that commercial base is that we now have a sustainable product because it's part of our commercial platform and our commercial product assembly line. that now has sustainability for 15, 20 years plus, because again, it's based on commercial technology. So again, that's what we're kind of highlighting here at the IMS. Pickering is really the a great solution, and really has built a strong brand recognition in that signal routing and distribution piece of the test equipment. So anything that sits in between the signal generators and measurement to the device or testing, we are in between there, and our job is to provide the best signal integrity as possible between the endpoints within a system.